So in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how I organize my refrigerator. Second, I'm going to show you how our refrigerators are divided into different compartments based on temperature and moisture, and how these two factors dictate how we store our food and items back in our refrigerator. If this sounds like something you're looking for, let's jump into the video. Hi family, welcome to Enjoy Your Space. If you're here for the first time, my name is Nyanthan Hmai. On this channel, I post tips and ideas weekly on how to deep clean and organize anything in your home for beginners who are starting to establish their cleaning routine and organization system in their homes. Without wasting more time, let's jump into why you're here. So the first thing that you need to do is research, decide on the type of fridge organizers you need, and buy them. When I've talked of research, one of the things you can do is watch videos of people organizing their fridge so that it gives you a clear idea what are the processes that they're going through. Now you can decide what fridge organizers you want. There are different bins. You can organize different containers, but I would advise you that you go for a clear one. Once you decide it, now you can buy them. In my case, I researched, oh my God, I watched tons of video on YouTube. I went to Pinterest, I Googled how to organize a refrigerator. So by that time I decided I want to organize my fridge, but I want everything to be clear. Once I decided, when I made my decision, I ordered them. And when I ordered them from Amazon. To you might be different based on where you are located geographically. If you're here in the US, you could look up Amazon. The same thing I think in Australia and UK, Canada as well, you can order things on Amazon. I'm not sure about Africa. You can also check out Container Store specifically for US viewers, and Dollar Tree, IKEA. I'm sure there's IKEA as well in Canada and Australia, and even other places where you don't have these stores. I'm sure a regular supermarket who sells plastic clear containers should be able to work. Step 2 now is to unpack all your bins that you've bought and wash them and dry them. What you do with the fridge first is that you need to clear everything out of the fridge and place them on either on a kitchen table, on your counter, or if you have a cooler, just put them in there. Especially items that perish very quickly and you don't want them to stay outside for very long on the counter. The next step is to either deep clean or just wipe it clean, depending how clean or dirty your refrigerator is. In my case, I did a deep cleaning video last week. So what I just did is I took an e-cloth and my vinegar mix, I sprayed the shelves and then just wipe it down, and that was it. That's all I needed to do. The other step now is to figure out how do you want to categorize your items and what shelves, bins or drawers you want to place them. Once you're deciding that, keep in mind that our refrigerators are divided into different compartments. We have shelves, we have drawers, and we have door bins. When we talk of the shelf, the top shelves, we have 3. In my case, my refrigerator, I'm sure for some refrigerator might be different, we'll have different level, but for my case, I had 3 shelves. The first shelf, which is the top shelf, is the warmest part of the shelves. It's very warm. So I decided to put like canned sodas. I put there, we normally have wine, so put in wine there, white wine and champagne, some eggs, yogurt for my kids, and snacks. Especially for my baby, I don't like them to be quite cold. The second shelf, which is the middle shelf, is where the temperature is quite balanced. It's consistent. It's not too cold and it's not too hot. So in this shelf, I decided to just use one section of it for leftovers, and the other side is where my deli drawer is. And this is where I've kept deli meat, cheese, all the other things for deli. The third shelf is the coldest shelf of all the 3 shelves. And here, it's very important to keep your milk on this shelf. It's advisable to actually keep them at the back of the shelf because this is where it's the coldest. And now you can decide to put other things there. In my case, I got a lazy Susan where I put our dips and yogurt around there so that my kids can easily access them. I also put in bread, fruits, vegetables, salad stuff. This is where this is the shelf that I put them. So the second compartments are the drawers. Drawers, as I mentioned already, we have the deli drawer, produce drawer, which is also known as crisper drawer by some. Some might know it as vegetable drawer or fruit drawer, whichever way you call it. These drawers are divided based on moisture. One of them has high humidity, which means it has high moisture. And in most cases, this drawer is used for storing vegetables. The other one is low humidity, which means it has less moisture. In most cases, this drawer is used for storing fruits or citrus items. Now we have the freezer. The freezer is where now you put things that need to be frozen. The last part is the door bins. These door bins are the warmest part of the fridge, and here you can store things that have a long life shelves and things like condiments, juice, salad dressings. Once you have this knowledge now, and once you know what are the needs of your family, you can go ahead and play around with the bins that you bought until you decide of what works for you. Once you've decided, now you can take each bin once at a time and then fill it out with what you've decided and put it back in the fridge. And once I was done, the fridge was really looking beautiful. I really liked how it turned out. Now it's easier to access things in my fridge. It's motivating to even go there and start eating things. So for me, this is really practical for my family. And the other now aspect is how to maintain it for it to be like that. Otherwise, this is the end of my video. I hope you like this, and please let me know in the comments below what you think. I know this is new for me. Your feedback would really improve the quality of my videos and what I post. So let me know if there's something you think that I need to improve on, something I'm doing good, or a content idea that you would like me to cover.